Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Superdrug card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this thing clearly. Superdrug loyalty cards are usually stored inside their own application or account and not directly in the Apple Wallet. So Apple Wallet only supports the passes when companies officially provide this particular button, which is Add to Apple Wallet. So if you don't see this option, nothing is wrong, and this is also normal in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your Superdrug account in the application. After that, you need to look for the option that says Health and Beauty Card section. Over here, you are going to see the information about your card with the barcode. So underneath it, you just have to look for this particular button that says Add to Apple Wallet. If you are able to find it, simply tap on it. Then on the next page, simply tap on the option of Add and follow further on-screen instructions in order to add the card to your Apple Wallet. Now, if the option is missing, it simply means that your card does not support it. So this is what most of the people do. They just open the Superdrug card barcode, then take a screenshot and keep it in your phone. You can quickly open it and then you can scan it at the store, and it works exactly the same. If you really want it inside Apple Wallet, you can also use the application which is called Pass to Wallet, and then you can upload the screenshot of the barcode and create a custom pass with the help of it, and then you can basically add it to your Apple Wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.